Федерации. Мы проводим этот протест в защиту нашей сестры Амины Герихановой. Вот этот флаг подарили вот этих журналистов, которые уничтожили 300 тысяч чеченцев. Им 300 тысяч чеченцев не хватило. Они пошли в Грузию, уничтожили грузинов, потом пошли в Сирию, уничтожили миллион сирийцев, мусульман, наших братьев и сестер. Теперь они пошли в Украину, убивать невинных украинцев. Мы сейчас начнем. What this terrorist state has been doing in Chechnya, occupied Chechnya, and what they are doing right now in Ukraine. They're killing innocent people today in Ukraine. Yesterday, they've been killing hundreds of thousands in Chechnya. The world has forgotten about Chechnya, but we are here today to remind you, because our sister Amina Gerasimova is arrested for terrorist state. Because this terrorist country, Russian Federation, is against all Muslims from Chechnya. And that is the reason Amina Gerasimova is arrested in Romania. So also, we are protesting against Romania. Romania is committing crime. Romania is cooperating with Russia and trying to extradite innocent ladies. Her only fault is because she is Chechen and she is Muslim. Her only fault is that she wants to live free. Her only fault is that she ran away from the Russian terror. But Russia is blaming her with false accusations and saying that Amina Gerasimova was fighting in Syria with terrorist organizations. We have all the evidence and we have supplied it that Amina Gerasimova has nothing to do with any Syria, and she's been residing in Ukraine. Amina Gerasimova has left Chechnya after she has been tortured, kidnapped, and abused to all other Chechen people. But today they're doing same to Ukraine, to Ukrainians. So Amina Gerasimova has been living in Ukraine until Russia, the terrorist state, invaded another peaceful country, Ukraine. She had to run away from Ukraine because of the Russian guns, because of the Russian torture, killing, raping of innocent people. The same thing what they used to do in Chechnya. During 1994 and up to 1996, and during 1999 until now, Russia has put their own pro-Russian puppet government run by Ramzan Kadyrov, another terrorist, and they're terrorizing the whole nation. The whole people are being kept as hostages. People cannot talk a word against the regime. What is the regime? The regime, if you say a word about the injustice doing, torturing, kidnapping, they're blaming them being a terrorist. If they flee occupied Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, they call them ISIS terrorists. That is the reason Amina Gerasimova is suffering.
Free Amina!
Stop the extradition!
Stop the extradition!
Stop the extradition!
Stop the extradition!
Stop Russian terror!
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 Теперь на русском языке будем говорить. Хотя на английском здесь
all humanity, all the people to support us to free Amina Girhalwa, innocent lady who escaped from Russian terror from Chechnya. Then again, second time, who escaped from Russian terror from Ukraine, Amina Girhalwa. So we ask all human rights organizations from United Kingdom, from Ireland, from Norway, from France, from Germany, from Austria. I'm naming the countries where we held rallies against Amina's extradition to Russia, because every European countries which I named, we have been having the same manifestations against Amina's extradition. So you would know, you would have high chance to know who is Amina Girhalwa. So we ask from every individual European countries, human rights organizations to act to help us to free innocent Amina Girhalwa, because Romania today is breaching European human rights law. Amina Girhalwa's court has been adjourned today to 31st. Until that time we hope that human rights organizations, more people will get involved to support Amina Girhalwa, and they will do something to get Romanian authorities to release this innocent lady. And until then, we have to wait, but we're not going to stop our protest. We will be going to Belgrade Square or with different countries. We're not going to stop protesting. So last time, again, we ask you, Romania, release innocent lady. Stop Amina's extradition. Okay, now we're going to read out the resolution. Unfortunately, we cannot pass this to Romanian embassy because it's a private area. However, we will send this by email to Romanian embassy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered today to express our indignation at the action of the Romanian authorities towards our compatriot Amina Girhalwa. To save her life, Amina Girhalwa was first forced to flee her homeland, then Ukraine, all because of the actions of Russia, which brings death and devastation wherever its colonial foothold pole, the Russian wall, penetrates. Abusing Interpol, Russia requested the extradition of Amina Girhalwa, fabricating a criminal case, abusing Interpol, Russia requested the extradition of Amina Girhalwa, fabricating a criminal case against her. Solely based on false information entered by Russia into the Interpol information system, Germany blacklisted Amina in the SIS Schengen information system, which recognizes Amina as dangerous for Schengen countries. The European Court of Human Rights has applied its Rule 39 to Amina Girhalwa, provisional measures suspending extradition while the case is being considered. The court applies these measures only where there is an imminent risk of irreparable harm. Leading world human rights organizations testify that Amina Girhalwa faces great danger if she is forcibly returned to the territory of Russian Federation. Despite all this, the Romanian authorities intend to extradite Amina to Russia, cynically declaring that a fair and human trial awaits her in this country. We call on the Romanian authorities not to hand over Amina Girhalwa to certain death in the hands of the Russian terrorist regime. We call on Romania to fulfill its obligations towards the European Court of Human Rights. We call on Romania to fulfill its obligations as a member of the European Union to respect human rights. We call on Romania to release Amina Ghirhanova and allow her to leave Romanian territory without hindrance. We call on Romania not to become an assist to Russia's terrorist regime. We appeal to the German Foreign Ministry represented by Annalena Baerbock with a request to intervene in the case of Amina Ghirhanova and call on the Romanian police to the reasonable likewise. We call on the German Federal Criminal Police Office to remove Amina Ghirhanova's data from the Schengen information system. Stop Russia's membership in Interpol. Freedom for Amina Ghirhanova.